Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the disrupt class smoke bomber. So what you need to do is go to your loadout page of Battle Royale, tap the ninja class, tap the page class page. Total there are 5 class in this Battle Royale mode. So what I want to show you is this class, disrupt. In this class there are 6 multi-class here or subclass. This one is smoke bomber. So this is a cluster smoke grenade that can mark the enemies, so the enemy will be visible. And also there are passive trait disrupt. After activating this skill, your movement speed is increased. So let's see the details. Tap the yellow icon. Cluster smoke grenade. It also slows down the enemies. And this passive trait, smoke's perspective, release a plum smoke that makes all enemies visible within. So let's try in the battle royale training ground. Welcome to training ground. As you can see, there are 2 enemies in the front of me. So let's try this disrupt grenade. Throw the grenade. As you can see or the enemy is visible if you use this grenade. So give it a try in rank mode. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.